This is Mick Cotton at Mick Cotton's Barbecue, and it's raining all day long. Look at that oak tree. It's all the way over to my house. I'm going to show you guys how I make tacos. GTO, man. That car does 200 miles an hour. And it's getting a wash. I'm going to make tacos. Doggies are here. Hi, puppy. I got my ground beef, taco seasoning. Well, should I get one? Get away. I'm going to pull out a hot corn Ortega taco shell. This is how I like to make Taco Bell tacos at home. I already made one. I'm going to show you guys how I like to put it together. And how they like to eat them. So I skim off 1 spoon taco meat. Okay. Right in there. Right in there. Get in there. Perfect. Chopped iceberg lettuce. Lots of it. Look at that. Sour cream to make it a supreme. You don't need too much. Then we got lots of Taco Bell sauce. Taco Bell sauce. All in there. Lots of mild cheddar cheese. And pack it in. Those are 2 Taco Bell Taco Supremes for like half the price of Taco Bell and way better. Look at those tacos. Look at the dog. There's nothing under there. Okay. Taco meat. Sour cream. Mild cheddar cheese. Taco Bell sauce. Tacos. This is Mick Cotton at Mick Cotton's Barbecue. It's raining like crazy all week. Aloha, bon appetit. Make tacos at home. It's fun. Aloha, bye.